Hey, this is Carrie from Wrap Your Head Around Silks. Today we are working on Lyra with our single knee hang. This tutorial is meant to start you from the very beginning of training these, meaning we have to train strength and pain tolerance through the back of the knees. Let's get started. All right, my friends, before you even start this exercise, you're going to put yoga straps on your Lyra outside of your hands, so bigger than hip height. We are piking through to be on our knees, and if you can hang from your knees and feel very comfortable, you're ready to start training your single knee hang. So we are going to use the assistance of these straps as much as you need to do this exercise. So I'm grabbing one crochet. You can take more than one or not at all, or you can hold on with one hand. And we are going to do marching on Lyra. We do marching in Pilates, but this is more for, testing our weight in a single knee in a very controlled and measured manner. So we're not giving ourselves our full body weight in this exercise. We're a portion of our body weight with the rest of it in our hands and in the other knee. All right, so marching, I would say 10 times per set. And you're going to start feeling like you can let go a little bit of those hands once in a while. As you see. So I would say train this every single time you're on the Lyra, and then we'll move on to the next stage of our single knee hang training. We're going to utilize a split entry for this. So we're going to egg up, straddling one arm. So the leg that is between the arms, that's going to be your front leg. So here, because I want to do a left split, I'm egging up with my hands on the bar, but splitting my legs. Okay, we want to pass the legs through like a frog with the outside leg completely outside of the hoop on the right or the left side, and the other leg clears underneath the bar. What we don't want is both knees going under the bar if you're trying to do a split entry. All right, so as I come up, I'm going to fully frog through my egg and come into my stag split, and then I'll come into my knee. My friends, I am not in the center of my knee pit. I am a little bit more in my calf than I am into the knee joint. It is very uncomfortable if you're completely on the joint. So I would say just at the very beginning of the calf, we call that the gastroc muscle, okay? Now, I have the yoga strap on the same side as my hooked leg, and I'm going to utilize that to help me train this. If you don't need it, you don't need to use it. But utilize this until you really feel comfortable hanging from that leg. And this is slow-mo, but as you can tell, I'm doing little tiny pulses. Heel to the butt 10 times. And then eventually you're going to do this exercise without your hand assisting you. And then over time, you'll be able to do choreography comfortably in a single knee. All right, my friends, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye.